3 is on page number 61. The topic of this activity is hardware. What is hardware? You should know about that. Hardware are those components of computer which you can see and which you can touch. Mean the physical parts of computers are known as hardware, like monitor, CPU, speakers, microphones, keyboard, mouse, etc. These are hardware devices because we can touch them easily. In this activity there are some pictures in your page number 61. You have to identify the picture and write their device name. मीन वो पिक्चर का नेम क्या है वो डिवाइस नेम की ब्लॉक में आएगा. डिवाइस टाइप में मीन वो इनपुट डिवाइस है, आउटपुट डिवाइस, प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस और स्टोरेज डिवाइस. आपने ये बताना है. डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपने उसकी 2 लाइन्स के अंदर उसको बताना है कि उसका काम क्या है, वर्किंग क्या है या किस पर्पज़ के लिए वो यूज़ होता है. So let's start it. First is keyboard. You see that keyboard. So first write the device name. This is the name. Device name is keyboard. Keyboard device type. Keyboard किस purpose के लिए use होता है? To give data. So give data के लिए use जो devices data enter करने के लिए use होते हैं. So these are input devices. So keyboard is input device. Description में आएगा keyboard device क्या होता है? It contains key. Keyboards के आपने फीचर लिखने हैं कि keyboard contains keys which help us to give data. So this is the 2 lines description. Next one is monitor. Monitor किस लिए यूज होता है? आपने फर्स्टली नेम लिखना है पिक्चर का. मॉनिटर, डिवाइस टाइप, आउटपुट डिवाइस because we can see data on it. Now description, it shows the output of data, mean you can see data on the screen of the computer. Now on your summer pack, open the page number 61 which is activity number 3. I explain you the whole activity in the board. You hope you understand this. You just have to identify the picture very well. It is very easy. Look pictures. There are some also other pictures. You can write picture name, picture type, whether it is input, output, storage or processing device, and according to that you have to write its description. 2 line description. You don't have to write so much, just explain it in a simple easy word. Like this is a picture of CPU. Write its name, its type. CPU is a processing device. Its description, CPU is used to process the data. Similarly you have to solve all of these. It is very easy. Do it very carefully. You can take help from your book and from your parents also. Hope you understand this. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.